Baba, the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, the Speaker of National Assembly, the Honorable Dr. Moses Masika Wetangula, the widows of Were, Maggie and Ann, the children of Were, Oja, Boyd, Jensen, we have Pascal, Immaculate, Leslie, and the young Ryan. Fellow members of Parliament, fellow mourners, the people of Homa Bay, time is gone. Mine is very brief. As I say them, because there are only two things, I want to request the family of Were to come in front. And I'm praying for courage, Maggie and Anna, as you lead the family, to come so that you can pay tribute to your beloved husband and father. Thurwa weche ka osewachore mang'eny kabisa. Ng'ama nigi ite otimang'o? Ng'ama nigi wang'e bende otimang'o? To gipuonjowa mang'eny. Achiel kuomgi owachore ni riwruokwa e teko marwa kaka oganda. Donge? Ni odwa en OD. And Baba, we want to say it before you. Some people think that when we are in broad-based government, and indeed we are in broad-based government, then this area is open to every political party. We are in broad-based government, and we defend the broad-based government. And we are grateful, Honorable Mbadi, Honorable Wandai, and our other sons and daughters are in broad-based government, and we'll protect you. But Homa Bay in particular is an ODM zone, and we must be respected. Awacho koso kawacho. Koro jo maringo ringa but ka in kar Baba. Marariyo Baba, 111 your tools of war. We are in broad-based government because Baba wacho ni wabede broad-based government. Wan kamichiaye wamo wantie. But thank you for being the statesman you are. Thank you for the leadership you have always showed. Before I allow the family to speak, because we are going very fast, Baba, let me condole you as we also condole the family. Baba has lost a true friend, a true soldier. And I saw it, Baba, and we knew it. Baba, you came from Dubai and straight from the airport into Were's home. And Baba, when you got information that Were had been shot, you were among the first to reach the hospital. I'm told you tested all his pulses to confirm he was truly dead. You know, Were was a friend. To the family of Were, your husband, your father, has been slain. But there is a good reason we call Baba. Baba. And he's truly there for you. Baba will continue to be there. Speaker of the National Assembly, immediately you got information that Were was killed, you dispatched your team to Parliament. And you requested me to head a team. The team that the Speaker constituted together to help with the funeral program, be upstanding so that you can be acknowledged. Speaker, there are very many. Let me confirm that they have done a good job. You called me worried yesterday whether Were would be given the dignified send-off that he so richly deserves. And I promised you that the people of Kasipul, the people of Homa Bay, will bury their son as a hero. And I truly is being buried as a hero. Let nobody take it for granted that we are laughing in pain. Homa Bay County has borne the brunt of very many assassinations, Baba. With Tom Boyer, you told me the other day, even Ojijoteko is not buried in our land here. Odhiambo Mbai, Orua Ojode. There are very many. Tinu Ura Juang, they are burying Were. We are come because our people have sent us. And again, a number of people have been arrested. They go up to around 10 now. And we have a good team of lawyers joining the prosecution to deal with the matter. Tom Kupere, thank you. Apollo Mbuya, thank you. You have the reports. But we tell you, Baba, Our people believe there are people outside there. That the people who have been arrested are mere executors. They want to say it cannot happen, and it will not happen when we are in broad-based government. We will not rest as the leaders of Homa Bay. And don't take it lightly that we can afford a smile here. We will not rest until we know who killed our son. And may this be the first time, Baba, when a political assassination of this level is being unraveled. And we want to thank government for what they have done. But even if Homa Bay, even if the person is from Homa Bay, even if that person is seated here, we will not spare. We want to know what killed our son. Gimangengo, Speaker, you never pulled your hand back. You went beyond the limits that Parliament normally provides for such programs. May I thank you so much for the support you gave. When Parliament went down, you went into your own pockets. On behalf of the family, because they're mourning, I thank you. Baba, all you've done, I thank you so much. And I onge giteko gikmamo komiwacho. But we're not talking loyalty pays. Loyalty pays. And when the pokna neno kama babo kiai joma loyal to him, kata kama no seloko ne joge. Nge. Kosa wacho marajo dalawa. Koro gimang'eny go, ago erokamano gi rwak mane urwako go wuodwa yesterday. Piny odier nono. Inene gi propaganda mang'eny. Nurwako wuodwa, yo mapok norwago ng'ato mitaneno gi wang'a eruru kamano. Jaga chien chunye mor. Before you, Baba, are the widows of Were. I want to give